In this video, what I want to do, I want to go over a stainless steel pet watering fountain. If you're like me and you got a little, a dog and a cat, I've got them both. This is an all stainless 3.2 liter, 108 ounce like watering system. And looking over it, it's stainless, 304 stainless. It's got a filter on it. It's vet approved. It's got a 5-volt pump in it. Let's just open it up here. I have not opened this, so I'm seeing it for the first time that you all are seeing it. Let's just see what's in the box here. Well, it looks like a big pan. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Open it up here. It looks like, oh, you're going to have to plug this thing in. So you got a little plug in there. Taking it out of the package here. Oh, looks like you got a little water spout. I take it the water spout will go right down in there like that, but I'm going to read the instructions. A little cleaning brush. Open it. Oh, all the unit is contained in one right there. Oh, I like how you have a see-through window where you can see. So there's all of your filter right there. Oh, okay, so this goes in here. So your filter is going to go just like that. Yeah, so your filter fits down in there. Looking at the instructions. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's a right or left of the filter. Really, that's pretty much it. You just put this on, fill it up with water, you put it on. It's got a pump. It just goes all day. You plug it in, and we're all set. So let's close that up. Let me go ahead and fill this thing up with water and find a plug, and then let's see. Well, actually, I think I could just plug it in right here. Let's see what happens when you plug that in. Wow, it's working right now. I have a power bank right here. Let's just go ahead. It's a pretty powerful power bank, too. So this goes down in there like that. And it looks like what it does, it circulates water up and it lands here and they drink this. Yeah, that's how it works. It circulates water up and it just goes back in here. Let me fill this thing up with water and I'll come right back. The cat definitely likes it more than the dog does. He likes that little spring going. He sits there and stares at it. I've plugged it up right here and I've let it go. It's got a little blue light in here so you can see how much water you got left, and then it's always draining right there. And it just looks like it's constantly filtering the water for them, so you can use tap water out. Because I don't feed, I don't let my animals drink tap water because it's got a lot of metals in it. Now that I got one of these filtering systems, this is what I'm using all the time, and you don't even hear it. It makes no sound. So yeah. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the pet watering fountain. See y'all next video.